But we always have to be in the best of ourselves, which is a mandate, and not everybody can do it as a compulsion in life. Being dressed, being gracious, having a smile should be a part of human life, but we forget it because of a lot of, we say pressure of life. But then this is the only industry, I think, where we all belong to. Everybody of you sitting out here, including Team IIHM, today Goa, yes, and the students, just do it with no obligation. Life is full of obligations, be it your parents, your husband, wife, kids. Professional life, I'm keeping it aside for some time. But this is the only industry who performs with absolutely no obligation.
I'm very grateful to the fellows of IIHM. We have now got almost 325 fellows from all over the world for supporting this, for prodding me to do even bigger things, for inspiring us, for motivating us, and for pushing us to do what we do best. Education is very important, and that's what we do best. IIHM is possibly the best education institution in the country and in Asia, and one of the best in the world. I'm sure that the education is very important for hospitality, because hospitality is all about people. It's all about passion. It's all about that warmth. It's all about that being hospitable. And as David Foskett famously always says, to be hospitable is to be human.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.